Hello YouTubers, I'm Parvez and this is our 14th video in Python 3 programming basics. In the previous video we have learned about creating lambda functions and the power of lambda functions. In this video we are going to talk about creating arrays in Python 3. So I have created a new Python file at the name of Python arrays. So before creating our example, arrays are very popular in most programming language. If you're familiar with programming language like C, C++, or C#, we have a lot of arrays we have used in that programming language. So in Python programming language, arrays are not common. By this reason, in Python we have list. So more often people use list in Python programming language. So let me show you an example. The creating of arrays like list. So let me create a Python array and Python C++, Java, C#. Okay, now you can print this array. Let me run it. You can see now this is our array. Also you can access to a specific index. For example, I want to access to index 2. Now if I run it, you can see now this is our index 2. Also we can modify array. So let me modify. For example, I want to modify the second element with C programming language. Now if I print my array, let me run it, you can see now that our Java has changed with C. But also you can iterate our array using for loop. So for x, if you don't know about for loop, you can watch my previous video. P language, and I want to print the x, and let me run it. You can see now I have iterated successfully on my array. Also you can remove array element. So let me show you. P language dot pop, and in here you can write the index. So I want to remove the index 1. Now if you print your array, and if I run it, you can see that now there is no C++ in my this array. So this was array. Thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos don't forget subscription of my video, sharing the video, liking the video.